unorthodox nitong ba't ko kinanta eh. May kwento behind kasi si Feb, she's been looking for artists to sing her songs, yung mga compositions na. And nag-message siya sa akin sa Facebook. And you know, for some reason, nabuksan ko yung message niya. Ano lang, nasa spam nga lang, parang aksidente lang yung pagkabukas ko. And she was giving me this song. Sabi niya, you know, I want you to sing this song. Sabi niya, bagay daw sa akin.
When was this?
Like, October, last year. October. So, sabi ko, okay, nung nabasa ko yun, pinakinggan ko yung song. Sabi ko, wow, okay, intriguing tong song na to. And, you know, I've been wanting to offer a new sound. I've been wanting to reinvent. So, I thought perfect tong song na to. And she was even offering me na babayaran niya to sing the song. Sabi ko, no need. I believe in the song. Sabi ko, sobra ako nagandaan sa song. And may potential siya na mag-hit. Kaya nag-collaborate na lang kami. And we co-produced the song.
Weren't you daunted with the title?
Nung una, I was daunted talaga. Sabi ko, parang medyo bastos. Parang gano'n. Pero nung pinakinggan ko yung demo niya, yung lyrics nung nabasa ko, hindi naman siya, bastos, hindi siya, napaka well-written yung song. Kaya, why not?
Natawanan namin ni NC, pag Viva Max daw yung title.
Pang Viva Max. Pati yung ano niya, pati yung, di ba, yung vibe niya, parang gano'n. Humigiling.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you, Madelia.